Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Friday, July the 20th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions for me, you can use this email address. A link to get into our free room. You don't have to be a member of Trade Ideas to get into our free trading room. This is a subscription link, but you're also going to see a subscription link in the body of this email. And of course, the link to still get into our test drive, you still have time to set up or to sign up for it. It starts Monday morning, but if you sign up for it right now, you will have access to our program over the weekend so you can play around with it. What is the test drive? It gives you full access to our program, our entire package, our premium service, just as if you were a premium subscriber. You'll have it for 5 trading days. It'll cost you $1.78 a day, $8.88 for the week. So sign up for it if you are at all interested in trade ideas. We get the question all the time, do you have free trials? No, we don't, but we do this 4 times a year. I open the room at 9 o'clock Eastern Time every day, and that's when I start to share my screen. I get live on the mic at about 9:05. I go to 3:30 Monday to Thursday and 3 o'clock on Fridays, which is today. All right, now I'm waiting on this one. Oops. Oh, good. I am waiting on this one for now it did take up briefly 27. Why am I waiting on this one? This is an IPO from a couple of days ago. So I was waiting for it to take this out, which of course it did, and I'm just waiting to see if it can take out 27 and take a look at the highs that it did 2 days ago. Of course, a lot of us are watching this one, which has just had an unbelievable run. TLRY. It IPO'd yesterday, and look at this. I mean, just absolutely incredible. And the other one IPO'd yesterday also. This is basically doubled because the IPO price was about 18. Now, and what you like to see, you'll love to see this sort of action on the day that it opens. It opens around 27 or, well, maybe not 27, but the price was 18, and on the open it was a huge premium already. So I mean, this is basically doubled from the actual IPO price. Just astonishing. So that's what I'm kind of waiting on is the Ruby. It's not quite as dynamic as the other ones, of course, but we'll see. Just watching to see if it can take out 27 at some point during the day. Bit of a disappointment for me was AQXP. This is one that I did swing from yesterday. I'm still interested in it, but now it's got to get over 350. I took this out yesterday at it was right around here at 310, okay, and I ended up selling some at 330. I'm really glad I did. Then, this was the post-market action yesterday. Pre-market looked okay. I mean, this is very spotty trading, hardly any shares. And then the market opened. It looked really good. It looked like it was going to maybe pop through that 350 and continue. And then it had then it's been just not drifting down. This is a big candle. I basically got out where I bought it yesterday. So I was able to sell some yesterday at 330, got out at 310 where I bought it today. Still will look at it later on. Maybe it's just not ready to completely and utterly leave that three behind. Skechers was sort of a interesting one. Had earnings today. Actually after hours yesterday. That's what the mauve area designates. So huge drop after hours. Basically kind of was doing not too much in the pre-market. This is the tan area. Then it had a little bounce. And so I decided to play the bounce. I got into the bounce at what was it? 25, I guess 25.21. 25.21, and I sold up in this area. I actually sold, well, I guess I sold a little too early, but it happened so quickly that I decided I just wanted to take this profit. Remember, there's a reason why this was down, and I just didn't want to see it reverse on me quickly. So I was in at 24.21, and I basically got out at 25.70, but that was very, very quick. And I know a lot of people are still watching this one. Just a second, please. Sometimes I forget to close down our the ongoing support area. Okay, now what else am I looking at here? Oh, I'm still in this one briefly. Oh, briefly. I don't know why I said it like that, but YUMC, I'm short this one on this breakdown. It came from my options play. Short at I think at 91. Just as it broke down. So it's really done not too much. I'm trying not to scalp it. Yeah, I'm short right around there. So we'll see. I mean, if it, yeah, I'm short right there. If it, there's really no support for this until for about a dollar away. I'm not saying it's going to get there, but now the other one, what is the other one I was just looking at? Just bear with me 1 minute here. Oh, this was sort of the mistake I made today. Trico was good. You see the cross right there. Actually, and the cross, we look at crosses all the time. The 15-minute, this is the 8 EMA and this 15-minute chart. 8 EMA crossing over the 20 SMA. But on the 5-minute chart, it actually was a little earlier. You'll see it right there. Okay, so I actually took this trade, and I took this trade at 32.10, right about there. Right about here. Moved up a little bit, and then it started to drift down. And I was looking at the overall SPY, and the SPY was kind of, it wasn't really doing anything. For me, to play these kind of bounce plays in these crosses, I like to see the SPY in my favor. And if it's not, then I'm feeling it's just going to do this. Well, it did this. I got out of the trade flat, and then look what happened. So, and I suppose I should have just waited on it a little bit longer. I had a stop in at the whole number, but I just didn't wait for it to hit the whole number, and I'll do that. I'll put the stop in. That's sort of my ultimate stop. But if I don't like the way it's trading, I get out earlier. And this time it just didn't work out for me. But anyway, that was one I know some people were in. All right, well, I think that's it for me in terms of a video today. I'm not going to be doing any videos for at least a week and a half. Next week is our test drive. I don't do videos during the test drive, so I like to spend the entire time in the room, or as much time in the room as I can. So don't expect a video. The longest it'll be 2 weeks. Certainly a week and a half, because the test drive actually extends to Wednesday. If you don't sign up for it today, you can still sign up for it on Monday, and you'll still get 5 trading days, or Tuesday, 5 trading days, and I think even on Wednesday you can still get 5 trading days, and then next Wednesday it is completely over. All right, everybody. So if we'll see you probably in a couple of weeks. So, but I hope to see you, if you're in the test drive, I hope to see you in our trading room. So let me just bring back the capture program. There you are. So hope everybody has a great weekend. And again, I hope to see you in our trading room on Monday morning. I'll open the room at 9 o'clock. Bye-bye.